We're going to sing a song that is a prophecy in agreement with the Word of God. Very simple song. And I want you to sing it over yourself, sing it as a confession, and sing it as a declaration. No eye has seen, no ear has heard what God has prepared for me. So I submit to His work in me till Christ be formed in me. No eye has seen, no ear has heard what God has prepared for me. So I submit to His work in me till Christ be formed in me. Say, no eye has seen, no ear, what the Lord has prepared. So I submit to His word till Christ be formed. Say, no eye has seen, no ear has heard what God has in store for me. So I gladly submit to His word. I know that Christ before. Say, no eye has seen, no ear has heard what God has prepared. Say, no eye has seen, no ear has heard what God has prepared. So I submit to His word until Christ be formed. So I submit to His word until Christ. Listen, you have given me a destiny, a purpose to fulfill. So with all I have, every breath in me, I'll spend my life to. You have given me a destiny, a purpose to fulfill. You have given me a destiny and a purpose to fulfill. You have given me a destiny and a purpose to fulfill. So with all I have, every breath, I'll spend my life. So with all I have, every breath in me, I will spend my life. Say, I'll spend my life to see. Spend my life to see. I will spend my life to see. Spend my life to see. Jesus revealed, Jesus revealed, and Jesus glorified. Jesus revealed through my life and everything I do. Let it be Jesus revealed, Jesus glorified, Jesus revealed. Hey. I will never be the same. I've touched your grace. what you're singing. As for me and my house, we will never be. Hey, everything is changing. I will never, never, never.